Hey, it's Noah from Skillin It. We learn about important life skills everyone should have. Recycling bottles and cans is a great way to make money. Plus, it helps the environment because you are reusing the materials to make new things. Let's get to work! It is best to check with the recycling center's guidelines before you begin collecting bottles and cans. First, I collect the bottles and cans. The bottles and cans should have a recycle symbol or information on them. These bottles and cans are okay to recycle. When my collection is full, I sort them into separate bags. I recommend wearing gloves because the bottles and cans can be dirty. I have 2 bags. I put all the cans into one bag and all the bottles into the other bag, like this. I keep glass bottles in a separate bin because they can break easily and that can be dangerous. I have been collecting bottles and cans for about a month, so I have a lot to recycle. Make sure to pour out any liquid that may still be in the bottles or cans. This is usually a requirement at most recycle centers. After you have separated the bottles and cans, put them into the car as you prepare to go to the recycling center. My dad puts down a tarp so his van does not get dirty. Good job, Dad. Now let's go to the recycling center. At the recycling center, I open the bags and put the bottles and cans into separate containers. I wait in line until it's my turn. The worker weighs the containers and empties them into a hopper. Now, I get my receipt and go to the cashier to collect my money. Wow, I got $38 for all my bottles and cans. Awesome! The amount of money you get will vary according to how many bottles and cans you collected and how much the recycle center will pay for them. Lastly, take off your gloves and wash your hands. I'm done! That was easy. One more thing. Thank your mom or dad for taking you to the recycling center. Thanks, Dad. Pro tips. Check with places in your communities to see if you can collect their used bottles and cans. You can get the most money from aluminum cans, so make sure to get as many as you can. Plastic bottles are very light in weight, so you will need to collect a lot of them to make a little money. It's a good idea to keep the caps on the bottles. Glass bottles do not make a lot of money and they can break easily. Also, glass can be very heavy. It is a good idea to put glass bottles into your city recycle bin and let them handle the glass bottles. This will allow you to focus on making money with aluminum cans and plastic bottles. Some recycling centers will not accept plastic bottles that do not have a label on them or have any liquids inside. Also, they may not accept crushed cans. You should find a space outside to keep your bottles and cans. They can start to smell bad and make the house stink. Yuck! After you empty the bottles and cans, reuse the plastic bags whenever possible. Well, there you go. Now you know how to recycle. Good for you. One more can to recycle. Until next time, stay cool, be kind, and keep skilling it. Oh man, I drink too much soda. Excuse me, can I have a bathroom break?